Hello friends, welcome to my channel, Peanut Flowers Creation. Today we're going to make a bouquet of roses, pink roses. We started out with, I went ahead a little bit with my work and I started cleaning the roses, and I cleaned all the stems, and I took out all the thorns, and the rose should look like this. Okay, now we have Aspidistra leaves, and today I have these big ones in the store. So the bouquet is not going to be so big, so I'm going to thin a little bit the leaves because they're too thick, too big for the bouquet. And you practically go to the stem, cut a little bit and pull. And you do that same thing to the other side till the size you want it. And this is thin enough. And we go ahead with the other leaves before we make our bouquet. You start doing, you prepare everything you need for your bouquet ahead of time. So when you go to make it, you have everything handy. They're ready to use. And here I am trying to do these leaves. We're almost done. This one doesn't want to come. It wants to stay. I think another leaf should be, and we're done. Okay. And here are my leaves. What I do now, before I start the bouquet, as I said before, you bring your work done before you start your bouquet. So once you go start working it, you have everything handy and ready to make the bouquet. I cut a little bit because the stem is too long, and I cut it. And I do about how many inch? A little bit. Let the point of the leaf out. And just tuck it in there and pull and leave it here. Same thing with the other ones. Tuck it in and pull it out. I like using my knife more than the scissors. I find it more handy. Sometimes I have to use the scissors, but I prefer the knife. And we're almost there. Another two more. Whoops. And this is the last one. And we tuck it in. And here, so we have our leaves ready. Our roses are nice and clean. And I have my gypsy that I went a little bit ahead of time. And I cut it short, not too long. And I put it here, so I'm ready to make my bouquet. When you start a bouquet, you have to have the middle rose. You pick a rose, okay? And you always go the same direction. Once you have the middle rose, you take another rose and you go like this. It's on my right hand side. I put it here. Look, I put it in and you've got an X. And with my two fingers, I hold the bouquet, okay? Now, the same exact thing. See the stem? I put it in the same direction. On my right, pull it in, and it goes to the left. When you have to turn the bouquet, you don't need to do anything else than just keep turning it and keep it between your two fingers. We go again. We put in here the rose. on the right, and it goes to the left. Turn it around from the right here straight to the left. And you keep turning. Right, left. Keep going around. Right, left. Always the same direction. Never change the direction. See here? Go put it here and turn it. Keep going the same direction. Straight, tuck it in, and it goes to the left. When you see a rose that's a little bit on the bottom, you just pull it up and it'll stay in the same direction. Same thing here with the pink rose. I turn it around, I put it on my right hand side, and I always take it with the 2 fingers. Never change the position. I see I need it here. See, there's empty here. So I want to put it here. What I'm going to do is put it the same way, and it goes from my right to my left hand side. I turn it around, and I need a rose right here. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to put it in straight like this, and turn it to the left. And here is my roses. Okay? Now we're going to do the same thing with the gypsy. Always the same direction. Here's the stem of the gypsy. Okay, I'm going to lay it down. Okay, looking it straight. And it goes to my left. Straight here. See the gypsy? Look at the stem. It's looking your way. I tuck it in. And it goes to my left hand side. I keep turning. Same thing here. Looks your direction. I put it in and it goes on the left hand side. Same thing. Tuck it in towards you, the stem. I lay it down here nicely and I turn it to the left hand side. It always goes towards the left. It's me, I'm on my right hand side. Right, left hand side, I get confused. Okay, here we tuck it in again. It goes straight and it goes to the left. Same thing here. It goes straight and it goes towards the left. Same thing, straight, and it goes to the left hand side. And you keep going around until you close it with all the gypsy around the bouquet. Lay it down here and it goes directly to the left hand side. And this is the bouquet with the gypsy all around it. Now what we're going to do is going to put the leaves of the greenery. Nice green leaves of Aspidistra. So same exact thing. The stem is looking your way. I'm going to lie it down. Okay? And it goes to the left. Same thing. Lie it down. And it goes to the left. Turn it around, lie it down, and it goes to the left. Keep turning it around. Always between your 2 fingers. Always hold it with your 2 fingers. Here, you lie it down. Look at the stem is looking your way. I'm going to lie it down and turn it around to the left. Same thing here. Lie it down and turn it to the left. Let me straighten this out a little bit so it wouldn't crooked. Okay. Now here's the same thing. We put the other leaf and we tuck it in there. And this is the last leaf. And I'm going to tuck it, always looking your direction. Tuck it in and turn it to the left hand side. Okay, now I'm going to tie it. Straight. Hold on, let me get the string here. Just a minute. I prepared everything and I forgot to get something to tie it. I prepared everything. So I had everything ready and I forgot something to tie it with. Okay, here we are. We hold it always with these two fingers, and with my finger, see it's like a hook, I hold the ribbon, okay, hold it, and I bring it all around, and I tie it real nice and strong all around it. You tie a knot. Cut the ribbon, and here is pink rose bouquet, and then you straighten it out. If there's something that you don't like about the bouquet, you see there's something that's out of place, you can touch it, there's no problem, because as you can pull it nice and slowly, and you can put it in nice and slowly, nothing will happen to the bouquet. Okay, so you look at it and you're ready to look and see if it's okay. Yeah, for me, I like it the way it is. See, we have all the leaves around it, you have all the gypsies, and you have the group of roses in the middle. And then you can cut it any size you want. I'm just going to trim it. Depends on the bouquet, how big your bouquet is, or if you want to wrap just with the ribbon, or just leave it like that and put it in a bouquet. You can cut the size of the bouquet, whatever bouquet size it is. This is a little bit too high, but if I cut it, this is the size of the bouquet. And this is my bouquet. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope see you again for my other creations. Thank you. And this is my bouquet of pink roses.